Big trucks are kind of my jam.
My name is Pete Mater. I'm one of the biggest fans of the Cars franchise. Check me out, boy. I'm one of the greatest truck drivers of all time, boy.
How you gonna budge that?
Budget with a budget, rent a truck, it's quick and cheap.
My name is Dennis. I'm one of the greatest RV drivers of all time. Darla, what are you reading back there?
Our 16-foot trucks are easy to load, unload, and drive. Built to help you move safely and with confidence.
Highly trained Cintas professionals delivering each service.
Let's go inside and meet Lucas and his team. This is Lucas O'Malley, the branch manager.
Give me that prick. I'm one of the greatest truck drivers of all time.
Every box we handle, every dock we step onto, and every customer communication we make creates a chance for us to shine, doing things the right way every time. Whether you're handling a customer shipment through our warehouse, driving their consignments behind the wheel, or
My name is Hank Dozer. I created styrofoam, and I'm the greatest driver in the world. Oh, mate, my name is Daniel Day-Lewis. I have $1 million oil, and I'm the greatest truck driver in the world.
Penske's 16-foot trucks have an easy-to-latch and lift, roll-up rear door, a high ceiling, and enough space to...
Buddy boy, they're the cable guy here. I'm one of the greatest drivers of truck. You know what? Not today. Actually,